Hello, sweethearts. Today we are going to learn first lesson for phonics. We are going to practice the letter T, new vocabulary, and one activity. We can begin, okay? This is the letter T, and the sound of the letter T is T, T, T. Can you help me, please? T, T, T. Good work. Let's play guessing game. Let's see if you can help me with some words that begin with the sound T. Ready? Okay. Number 1. It is a wild animal with stripes. A wild animal with stripes. What is this? Is that tiger? Good job. Very good. The second word? Are you ready? Okay. It is summer clothes that can be worn by boys and girls. Ready? What is this? This is a t-shirt. Excellent job. Very good. T-shirt. Good job. The third word, okay? Number 3. Let me think. Okay, perfect. It is small and red vegetable and is used in salads, pasta, and pizza. Yummy, yummy. Can you guess? Yes, it's a tomato. Tomato. Very good. One more? Sure. One more. Listen to me. It is a transport that is very long, can carry persons or cargo, and travel long distances in the land. La 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 la. Can you guess? Very good. It's a train. Excellent. The last one, okay? One more. Perfect. It is a bird with a big, colorful beak. Beak, 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 beak. Can you guess? It's a toucan. Toucan. Very good. Now we are going to review these new words. Please listen to me, and if you want, repeat it. Okay? T is for tiger. Excellent. T is for t-shirt. T is for tomato. T is for train. And T is for toucan. Good job. Now, this is your homework. Make things with Play-Doh. Do you have Play-Doh at home? If you don't have Play-Doh at home, it doesn't matter. Don't worry, you can draw. Okay? But if you have Play-Doh, please make things that begin with the sound T. Different words, okay? Ready? Okay, see you later, alligator. Nice to see you.